Oh, oh. I didn't even bring my computer down. Didn't even bring my computer down today. Nope. We're looking at a new watch. Yeah, from Poco. They make phones and earbuds, and now I guess a watch. Okay, so this is it. This is the box. You guys see it? Poco Watch. Not the most exciting name in the world, but it, I guess, like Apple Watch. Poco Watch. Poco Watch. There it is. The box looks great. Standard kind of yellowy Poco Watch. You know, there's stuff on the back for specs. Like I said, I don't have my computer in front of me or anything like that, so I don't know all the specs. It just says wireless connectivity, Bluetooth 5, low energy, has it looks like 300 milliamp battery inside it. All right. 1.8 inch screen, blood oxygen readings, some other stuff that I can't read. Oh, fitness modes, long battery life, built-in GPS. That's nice, built-in GPS. That's good, because you see a lot of budget phones or budget watches, no GPS. They use like your phone's GPS. And water resistant. Cool. All right, let's crack it open. Let's crack it open, right? I'm having issues. Maybe I'm not even opening up this right. I don't know. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're good. We're good. Poco Watch. Ready? The reveal. Cool. It is, man, it is Apple Watchy for sure in looks. Let's just pull this out. That goes over there. I would give it, just by looking at it right now, Apple Watchy, right? Apple Watchy, smaller. So like the 40 versus the 44, or the like 38 versus the 42. And then this opens somehow. What do you get? What do you get? You get, looks like a charger and a really large manual, and then that's it. All empty. Can you guys see it? I'm trying to focus. Empty. Empty, empty, empty. With a large manual though. Really small fonts, but it does what it needs to do, I guess. Lots of languages. Looking at the languages up at the top. Lots of languages. Cool. It's a manual, right? And what do you get here? What do you get here? This must be the charger. Give me something for length. So same kind of idea. You get this like little magnetic charger, 2 pins, USB-A, decent length. Okay, so that you can set it up. And this again, you know, we see headphones doing this. They give you these short little cables. This one's okay, but let's say you're plugging this into a wall outlet and you want to plug it into your nightstand. Is that cable long enough? Is that cable long enough? Now I'm curious. Is it long enough? Because like wall outlet, maybe it'd be close, depending on how big your nightstand is or the table, because we're not charging it off our computer, right? How many of us have our computer beside our bed when we're charging these? No, it's usually sitting on a nightstand to charge. At least that's it. That's what it is for me. Maybe I'm out of the norm. I don't know. Okay, anyways, put that over there. This looks like it's got a lot of plastic on it. Okay, more of this. Ready? Can't. You'd think this would be easy to open. I'm just gonna somehow. Okay, I think it's happening. Yeah, it's they tried to do like the Apple-y thing with the nice little plastic on it, which I appreciate, but like the pull tabs aren't as obvious, and they're really sticky. Like you really gotta crack them open to get it out. It doesn't just like, yeah, it doesn't do that. But like, it's not coming off, so that's good, I guess. Oh yeah, come on now. Like that is, see that? That is Apple Watchy. For sure. That is Apple Watchy. So just before we put it on, I do like, it's a nice neoprene. Like it's nice, it's a nice strap for sure. I like the fact that this is like like a space gray or black. It's very similar to like the color on the Apple Watch. Looks like single button on the side. That's kind of nice. Heart rate sensor, yes. But it does look like they're maybe proprietary straps because they got this cool little, you guys see that little button to pop them off? Again, very much like this. Now I'm curious. I don't know if Poco has like different straps that you can get. I'll put, because again I don't have my computer here. I'll put links to Poco's website. You guys can go take a look. Okay, all right. Let's see if this. Now the one thing is I can't lay this necessarily flat. I kind of have to put it like so and kind of hold it because it does have this, like, you see that this it's this part of the strap is hard, which is kind of strange, but because you can't lay it flat this way. Now I'm guessing that could be good for popping the charger on, because the charger, of course, it's only going to go one way, but it snaps in there, right? You guys can see that it snaps in good. Like it's got a good solid click to it, so that's nice. I like that. And I don't know, I have a feeling you have to use the Me app. So I'll bring my phone over. You guys maybe just see it here. I have a feeling it's this Me Home maybe that you use. I don't know, because in the manual, I'm hoping that scan the QR code to download the proper app. Maybe I should do that. Ready? Focus. Focus. This is the app. This is the app that we're looking for. Ready? Time to Me Fitness is what we need. Do I have this? I've had it. Me Fitness. So that's coming down. Okay, that's coming down. We'll just wait for that to happen. So, Me Fitness. But I do like it. Like, where's my camera? There it is. It's got a nice. It's very, very clean looking. Like, right. And I like the fact that it doesn't even have like a jog wheel. It just has that button off to the side. That I don't mind that at all. No, don't mind that at all. Does it fit? It should fit me good, I would think. I'll just put it on real fast while the app is downloading. It looks like the app has downloaded already. But yeah, that's gonna fit me nice. Just put it like that, comparatively. Yeah, no, I'm down. Okay, so I'm gonna open this fitness app here. Time to tone up. Yeah, I'm trying. Take photo, record videos, access. Yeah, I'm down. Grant mandatory permissions listed above. I guess I'm checking all these. Sure. Region. You guys can see this. Canada. Cool. Next. Okay. All right. You guys see it. I'm gonna put it right there and put the watch right here. Ready? I'm gonna hit plus. Add a device. This feature requires signing into Me account. Sign in? Yes. I have to remember what my Me account is. I have a feeling it's that. Because I do have a Me account. And I have it because we have some other devices. We have a vacuum cleaner, I think it is. Maybe. That kind of uses it. So, yay! No. Me smartband. Me. Okay. Is that this? Do I turn this on now? Oh, there it goes. Poco. Where am I? Poco. Okay, English, yes. Scan to download, I did it. Poco Watch. Maybe I need this to add device. Oh my goodness, now we got a whole bunch of them. Poco Watch. There it is. Poco Watch. Searching. That's what I want. Poco Watch. Yes. Yeah. Pair with Poco Watch? Yeah. It's got a nice vibrate. My account was added. Allow while using the app. Sure. Done. Boom. Simple. And a little tutorial. Side button. Press to open the list of apps. Okay. Press and hold for 3 seconds to open the system settings. Alright, I'm with you so far. I like that it gives you a little tutorial. That's nice. Next. Widgets. Swipe left to view different widgets. I'll probably forget it. Swipe left. So you're swiping that way. Left to view widgets. Customize widgets on your phone. Oh, so you do it on your phone. Gotcha. I'm with you. Cool. Shortcuts, swipe down to view notifications, swipe up to open the control center. Create activity goals. I can create goals. Sure, let's do it. The average person burns 200 to 300 calories during 30 minutes of running. Okay, of running. I don't know, is this how many calories? I'm just gonna hit next. Okay, 6,000 steps. Whatever the defaults are, good. 30 minutes, yes. But it's all editable. You can change that, you can set it up the way you want. Okay, very cool. Ready? I'm putting it on. My guess would be here too, is that you could, if you wanted to, set up things like this is where you'd set up like your watch faces, because right now, like that's nice. That's a good screen. That's a good screen. I like that, right? And you just tap that to bring it up. You tap it again to bring in all this coolness. I'll hold for 3 seconds, I think it was me. Yeah, reboot, power off, reset. There's not a lot in this one. Erase all data, stop. Get back, okay. So what do we have here? This is your fitness. The ones that are important to me, sleep mode. My guess is like this is like your breathe app. Heart rate, blood oxygen, good touchscreen weather. Is the weather coming up? Yes, it is. Very nice. Tap that to go back. So it's very much like the digital crown on an Apple Watch. And a whole bunch of different stopwatches and clocks and settings. So there's settings right there. You can just tap on that if you want. So you can go into your settings. So watch brightness. Auto adjust. If I turn that off, then you can set it. So I'm going to have it auto adjust. Okay. Do not disturb. Watch faces. So we got watch faces. Watch faces. Oh, I like that one. Let's just see. Okay, that's not bad. Because some of the watch faces that I've seen on some of the other smartwatches, you're just like, no, that's kind of cheesy. I'm not a fan. Right? Go back to settings. I think, and I like watch faces with a lot of info like this. That I like. No steps. Nope. Now, the other thing we're going to test is just kind of here. So we have all the sleep data, heart rate data, steps, calories. None of it is here. Moving, standing, blood oxygen, stress. PAI, I'm not even sure what that is. Cycles, that's for, I think it's menstrual cycles. My weight, you guys are seeing it here. And this must pull. I wonder if it pulls. If I go to profile, I'm curious if it has stuff from like transfer from Me Fit. Yeah, connected apps. Oh yeah, see health apps. So I can turn that on. So that's good. Strava. Oops. So turn them all on. I want all that information going back and forth. Connect Strava. Sure, I have it. So let's do it. Oh no. So I've decided not to do it. The health app really is the only one that's super important to me. But it's health app compatible, so I'm super happy with that. Just under profile. So has all your information in it, your settings about this app. If I go to settings here, region, sync with the cloud. All right. Profile character. Show your profile character. Yeah, why not? Show it. Do it. Feedback, app permissions. Yeah, settings. About the app. All good. Now, what about the device? Poco Watch. So you can click here to sync. So you do kind of need this. It's not as if it's a system like an Apple Watch. It's not a system piece of software. It is a piece of software. So you have to open it and sync. Okay, online apps, heart rate, sleep. Yeah, it's got all this. Stress, weather, workouts, widgets, app layout. That's cool. So you can put it in grid or a list. Nice. Raise to wake. Yes, scheduled from between. This is also really good because you don't want it if you're someone who sleeps and you're doing this a lot, that your screen keeps popping up, right? Check for updates. Let's check. Update. An update is available. So I'm doing it. So I'll be right back. So you can see syncing. So it must be sending the info over to it now. So this may take a little bit of time, but that's okay. We're hanging out. We're hanging out. So while it's updating, you guys can see what it looks like on my wrist, because that's important, right? It's got a nice low profile, which is actually really nice too. You know, this, it sounds funny, but it's nice. It lays flat. The band is nice and light. Like I said, I was a little concerned about how this curved, but no, the curve is good. At least for my wrist, it's good. Yeah, I like it. And you guys can see we're at about 70, almost, there we go, 70%. All right, more waiting. Okay, you guys can see we're coming up to the 100% mark. This is syncing, and this part here took about 3.5 minutes. So 3.5 minutes. And the phone actually says now preparing to update. Don't use your device while it's updating. So about 3.5 to 4 minutes for the download to happen. Again, that's going to be, I would think, based on your internet. And we are at that time. Okay, so we will look to see how long the update takes. This is physically the physical update, just so you guys are aware. Now again, these updates, once you get them, and I'm happy to see that there are updates. I'm always happy to see companies sending out firmware updates and software updates, stuff like that. That means that they're behind the device. Of course, it's size based, right? So this one was 3.5 minutes, and I don't even know what version this was. The next update could be bigger, could be smaller. So, but this gives us an idea, because I have seen some like Android-ish smartwatches that updates seem to be like, they're like super small, right? This has got some heft to it, so that's actually kind of nice. So I'm guessing the update took, again, about between 3 and 4 minutes. Now the little progress bar that was there, it never really moved much. It just all of a sudden restarted. So maybe that was a part of the fix, or like the progress bar doesn't work well. I don't know. Anyways, came back up. We got our screen up here, right? You guys can see it right there, all back to normal, which is great. Now they did say there's some like slides. So can you touch the screen to wake it up? No. So you have to touch, or I guess raise to wake. So sliding this way gives you your like your exercise information. Start a workout from here. Kind of slide. Here's your weather. Measure. This is your blood oxygen. Heart rate 74. This one says my heart rate is at, let me just see, 74. Very cool, right? 74. You guys see it down there? 74. Right? This one came up at 74 as well. That's excellent. Keep going here. And that's it. If I come here and you slide the other way, you just go through it the opposite way. Up to down, down to up. A couple little things, settings, flashlight, do not disturb. Does that work? Yep, do not disturb. What was this one? Raise to wake is off, raise to wake is on. Timer, what is this one? Wake for 5 minutes. Oh, you can just get it to stay awake for 5 minutes. That's cool. All right. And then going the other way is your notifications. Very cool. I like that. I like that. It's all good. Workout here. You have your workout, right? Shows where you are. You can hit go because the GPS is on par. It's syncing. You got walking, outdoor cycling, and a treadmill. Is that it? That can't be right. Maybe that's it for the app. Outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill. If I come in here, just because I'm curious, if I go into this, outdoor running, walking, treadmill, oh, I got more, right? Trekking, trail run, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, freestyle, swimming, open water, elliptical, yoga, rower, jump rope, hiking, high impact training, triathlon, and then you can add your own custom ones. Oh, I like this little watch. I have to say, I like this little watch. Good on you, Poco. Now, I don't know the price. I don't know the price. Again, I'll put links to Poco's website if you guys are interested to figure that out. Is this getting any data yet? Doesn't look. Oh, yeah, it's getting some. It's got my heart rate, right? Updated just now, so not a lot there. But I will put links to Poco. You guys can find out the pricing. And once I figure it out as well, I'll put a list pricing information down below. Yeah, cool. That's it. I'll check back in about a week. You guys will probably see the update tonight because it takes me about a week to get these videos out there. And there'll be a short to let you know my final thoughts on the Poco Watch. Poco Watch. Yeah, very cool. Very cool, Poco. Good job. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Later, my friends.